Which is this task?
GT.
This is the third task of the GTO series. Now what happens as far as the PGT is concerned, the briefing will be like this. Okay gentlemen, till now we have been sitting and talking. Now we'll do something more active. We do not have any natural obstacles or river, nalas or mountains where we can test you. So what we have done, we have drawn two white lines on ground and declared the area between these two white lines as out of bound. Now to help you to cross these out of bound areas, certain permanent structures have been placed so that you can take help of it and cross. Now to further help you, certain helping material might be given to you in the form of bully, plank or ropes. Okay. Other than that, you have to carry a load also, but that is not your helping material. Now, as far as PGT is concerned, you have to negotiate 4 obstacles. Total time will be around 30 to 35 minutes. Now, the first obstacle is easiest and the last one is least easy. Now, as far as these 4 obstacles are concerned or the subsequent obstacles are concerned, you have to follow certain rules. There are set of 5 rules you have to follow. First is group rule. Group rule means unless until all of you cross the first obstacle, individually you cannot go to the second one. Second is color rule. Color rule means there are certain colors you have to take care of. Now, what does white color signify?
We can use white.
It is peace or inbound. What happens? That you can stand on it, you can place your helping material or load onto that. What does red color signify? Danger.
Can't touch.
Okay. Now, here also it is out of bounds, you can't stand on it, you can't place your helping material or load onto that. Okay. Now, then you will find blue color means you can stand on it, but you can't place your helping material or load onto that. Okay. Now, this blue color as far as the Air Force is concerned, find it as yellow. Next is black color. Black color is just an anti-termite measure you will find at the base of the structure. If you whatever color is there on top of black, consider black of same color. If white is there on top, then what will be the complete color? White. Now next is rule of rigidity. Rule of rigidity means which are the two rigid helping materials I have told you? Bully and planks. Now you cannot tie them together with the flexible one. Which is the flexible one? Rope. You cannot tie them together independently. However, if you want to tie them, you can tie them with the permanent structure which is existing on ground. Okay. Now, next is distance rule. Distance rule means if the distance between two structures is more than 4 feet, whether it is horizontal, diagonal or vertical, you cannot jump. What you have to do? Either bridge it directly if it is feasible or reduce the distance in such a manner that it becomes less than 4 feet. Now, next is rule of infinity. Rule of infinity means these two white lines which I have told you, they relate to the infinity. You cannot bypass from the side and say that I have completed the obstacle. Clear? Yes. Now, in case if you have any questions, you can ask me at the end of the briefing, but once the task starts, do not ask me anything. Whatever queries or questions you have, you ask your friends. Now, in case if you break a rule, what you have to do? You have to come one step back, whichever obstacle you are there. In case if you are not able to check yourself, your friends should check you and they should tell that you have broken the rule. Now, whenever you address each other, address by the chest number. Understood? Yes, now, this is the briefing which will be given at the SSB. Now, other than the briefing, I will tell you certain general points which will be useful to you as far as the SSB is concerned. Now, what happens? You will find that once you go from one obstacle to another, the first obstacle is the easiest. Everyone will be able to cross. But the moment you go ahead, the structures will be such that not more than 3 to 4 will be able to stand. So, your aim should be that you should be always ahead. If you are not there or if you are not able to go ahead, what you should do? You should keep giving the suggestions or the ideas from where you are standing. Understood? Now, don't go individually to the side and start doing the obstacle from there. You should do in a group. Otherwise, you will be penalized. Understood? Also, the time which has been told to you, should try and do the obstacles in that time, and you should hurry up and don't keep sitting. Chalo ho jayega. That aim, your thinking should not be there. Any questions? Any other question? Anyone want to ask? Now what happens? Nothing is hidden as far as the GTO tasks are concerned. Like in group discussion, what I have to like explain to each and everything how it is conducted. Then group planning also I have explained to you how it is conducted. Here also the after the briefing GTO will take you around the obstacles. Then he'll tell you that which are the structures and how which are the structures and which all three structures are there and how should you go about it. Okay. Now also as far as the obstacles are concerned, every obstacle will have minimum 3 approaches. Kitni? Three approaches means three ways will be there by which you should do it. Now it is not necessary that you should do this way एक ही साइड से सीधा करना है. No, you can do it. You can start from here. बीच में जाके उस तरफ भी निकल सकते हो. You can start बीच में जाके you can go from there straight. Any way you can do it. There is no restriction. Clear? Any other question? Okay. चलो हु आर दी 10 जो जिनने करने वाले इधर आ जाओ. दिस योर स्टार्ट लाइन, दैट्स योर फिनिश लाइन. स्ट्रक्चर्स यू कैन सी white in color, white. This platform is white, white. Now this is not there. This only this these two structures are there. This is red, this is half white, half blue. Now this your finish line, white in color. Move to the next. आगे आ जाओ.
एक सेकंड पापा से बात करो. पापा
Okay.
हेलो.
This is the start line. White, blue, white. Now this is white platform which has got a hole here inside. Now that structure white in color, platform white, two structures white in color. पीछे हो जाओ उधर. You are not supposed to come inside. Now white, blue, red, white,
फॉलो है ना अभी.
white and blue. That platform is white. Now start this finish line is also white in color. Come to the next. अरे हटाना
आपको
है.
भेज तो दिए. हाँ एक बार पढ़ दो. नहीं बॉन्ड मेरा
Red in color, white, blue, white, red, white, blue, white, white, red,
जी
and this is blue, white,
ट्रेन ना
white.
फ्लाइट ही करनी पड़ेगी.
Now this portion here, this is completely blue in color. This is white,
दो जनों को तो
white,
minimum जाना
red,
पड़ेगा क्योंकि सामान भी
white,
लेकर जाना
white,
होगा, अकेले
and
में
that's
तो
your finish line which is
लेना पड़ेगा
red in
सामान.
color. Any questions? चलो दौड़ कर चलो.
We can go by here. We can simply
Don't touch the line. Don't touch the line.
first give the plank.
I think one should.
Put the plank on the wooden platform and
And how will we give the support from this side?
I think chest number 8 is doing it right. We should go with that way. Place the.
Now give the bully.
Where is the belly?
There is.
That's why I was asking it earlier. It is not. Yes.
Now one more person can come.
And the person who is
Yeah.
going from the belly, he has to put his weight as far as he can do on the plank. Yes, sir. Why are you?
Don't put your leg.
You can shift from there.
Now when I go there, you can just hold the plank. Hold it. Plank
Plank.
with both hands. Now. Yeah. That is okay.
Yes.
Hold it, gentle.
As the
So
rule is
now
broken, I think
one can also come the same way. Okay.
you are
yes, sir.
breaking the rule. Why are you standing in there?
One more person can come.
I think don't put your leg on the line.
Chest number 27. You can just.
Chest number 9, you should go ahead.
Chest number
Let me
9. You
let
should
me
come
go,
on the
let me go, let me
platform.
go.
He is holding that.
yeah, you can pass.
Now chest number 9. You can come on the platform. One more can come. 45. You can also come.
Just hold a rope or this rope.
You can come here. Put your leg.
Or a boy. What is?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
रूल ही सिंपल ब्रो, सब कुछ तो ब्रेक हो गया.
How we can? I think chest number 42 has an idea, so you can give the. You can come here.
Gentlemen, I think this is risky. We can simply put the plank on the wooden platform.
Gentlemen, I think we can do faster. Just come here and 45. You can come on the platform. First 45. You can come on the platform. Now 45. Just hold the plank
Okay.
with both hands. Now 45. What I think? 45.
Just let me help it.
45. You should stay here.
Gentlemen, 45. You can put the plank on the wooden platform. It will be stable.
45.
Yes.
Now you should stay here and the others can come.
Okay.
Okay, so as a customer model.
अरे bro.
As a customer for your suggestion, we can use the rope to stabilize it, like that T structure.
Should I come?
Okay.
Tie the rope
Can I come?
So
on the structure, the T
We can make a loop
to make it more stable. Below
okay. So make it.
Just one person pass the rope.
Give me the rope.
Tie it from here.
From here?
Yeah.
I think we should go with. Just. How was you trying to say? Just.
Just number 31.
Can I come over?
Yes, you can.
Gentlemen, let me give the rope.
Look, wait.
You can go ahead.
Why?
You can come here on this platform.
Go ahead. You go ahead.
Just go there and jump on
What do you
the
want to do? क्या करना
on the white plank.
Sir, to make it more stable, I want to tie this plank with the T structure.
Don't touch the rope at down.
So that it would be more stable.
Yeah. No, one of us can. It's I think less than 4 feet.
So we can jump over there. You can jump over
4
there.
feet है ये.
ठीक है.
I think you should move to the next platform as it is less than 4
It is
foot.
not less than 4 feet. फिर क्या करोगे?
If it is
First
not.
pass the plank. We can just.
Okay. If you pass the plank, you will be able to go. The two of you cross that side. एक और cross कर जाओ. Now what will you do?
Now
Okay, one more come here. फिर क्या करोगे?
Next person move over there. And single one
Any rule broken? This is platform is not there.
not there.
chest number 27 is this not there.
27 minutes. Okay.
Now, is there any use of rope? Rope का कोई फायदा है?
No sir.
I think it is stabilizing the platform.
So that one.
Is there any use of rope? If he has tied the rope. तो वो हटाओ उधर से बल्ली हटाओ वो ये हटाओ ऊपर से बल्ली. Now just see, rope का कोई फायदा है?
No sir.
No, sir.
So don't unnecessarily put the rope.
Okay.
चलो.
Now 17 you can come. You can also come.
No. And tying the rope here is not going to help because we are going to use the plank.
But it is going. The plank is going left and right. No. So
We will hold
with
it.
the rope, it will.
Gentlemen, you can.
Okay, how can you now? They are discussing that plank may go left and right. How can you prevent it?
Put the that bully at the edge.
Okay, चलो करो. What is he telling? उसकी बात मानो.
What?
In the middle,
on what
gentlemen, just a little bit forward.
Can support.
Okay, like this.
He is telling that put this on the edge.
And diagonally.
Like this.
No, sir. It will not work. I think.
चलो चल के जाओ.
Yeah, now
Some
it will work.
chest में
अगर ये करे फिर इसको थोड़ा अभी लगा
मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम लगा कि मेरे को स्टेबल लगी थी.
अभी थोड़ा स्टेप
मैंने बीच में रखी थी.
देखिए कैसे ये भी तो टेढ़ा है ना.
चलो.
just move.
यार ये और भी बढ़िया है.
Chest number 24 come here.
Support दो.
Chest number 11, you can just
You can
pass
just
the load
move on the platform.
also.
Just directly move on the platform. Support it. Yes.
You can come. He's holding.
Let me first untie the rope.
Just wait. I have understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Three of you go there and cross the finish line. तीन चले जाओ उधर.
Chest number 7 and chest number
Three of you go there.
Chest number 42 and chest number 3,
तीन चले
7
जाओ वहाँ cross
and
the
11
finish-
also.
I have understood. This इसी method से चले जाओ. Cross the finish line.
Chest number 11 also.
One more can go. एक और चले जाओ.
Chest number 12.
32 you can also come.
12.
Now how will you move ahead? आगे कैसे जाओगे बताओ. Okay, he can also come here. तुम आ जाओ ऊपर. इस पे आ जाओ ऊपर. आ जाओ. Any rule broken?
Yes sir.
Or obstacle. Fall on the ground. You have to also hold the plank also, okay? Balli and plank both.
45 put your leg forward.
Okay, just first pass the plank to us.
We can directly bridge.
Just
Okay,
someone
so
help me. Put the plank. Chest number. Just
How will you get them?
and
उनको now
just stay at here.
उनको कैसे लोगे?
So we can put the
Just-
plank from
Put the plank on the T structure. Direct bridging.
Yeah.
Direct
But
bridge.
it
If
will
it
not
is
reach.
possible.
It will not reach this
It is
platform.
not, just pass it back.
One of them can come in the same
Is it
way.
directly coming?
No sir.
करके देखो ना. He is telling you we can put this support. कैसे करोगे? How will you put this support? रख
No,
सकते
no.
हैं नीचे जमीन पे.
No, our obstacles can be.
And load to
11 number.
नीचे भी खड़े हो सकते हैं. बाहर की एरिया इज नॉट आउट ऑफ बाउंड.
Okay, sir.
So
अरे इनको कैसे लोगे?
Sir,
what
okay,
what
sir.
you people are doing? पीछे वाले क्या कर
one
रहे
of them can come in the same way and
हैं? Is it possible?
no sir. But we have to put some force on it.
I think
What other helping
just-
material you got? और
The-
क्या है?
Load.
the load also. Someone bring the load also.
लोड का है?
load is not
कौन
helping
लाएगा
material.
उसको?
Chest number 12. Just bring the load.
मैंने बोला था कि तेरे को बोला था इधर। उठा के लिया था तू आया था। इसको बोला था उठा के लिया था मुझे।
अरे इनको इसको कैसे लोगे?
Let me. Okay. Just pass.
ओके टेक इट. चलो फिर गिव इट. पीछे दे दो टाइप.
No sir, we have to such
I
make
think I
such.
think we can use it.
Can you use it as helping
No, sir.
material?
Yes, I
What
think
did I tell
we
you
can.
about the load?
We cannot
Helping
use it
material
as
कर सकते
a.
हो इसको?
No sir.
Uh,
Sir, we can
I missed the
make a
point
like
of rigidity.
we can we give the rope.
How will you get him? इतना टाइम
Sir,
लगा दिया.
11,
15 मिनट तो यहीं ले
17. Can I come?
आ जाओ प्लीज. चलो what will you do? Then
Just
We can just
put
try.
a
will it be
put
feasible?
a rope in it between
workable?
between them.
But sir, the
I think we could
distance is very less.
हाँ जब तो कह रहा हूँ. Is it workable?
But sir, we can try it.
हाँ मैं ही बता दो तो तुम मैं ही सेलेक्ट हो जाऊंगा अपने आप में. मैं ही सेलेक्ट कर लूंगा अपने आप को.
नहीं हरी.
Any rule broken?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Rule of rigidity. I think the common one is just to pass the plank and
Now what is happening? These two people are sitting here. You are not able to do it from here. तो यहाँ से कुछ कर
Just-
सकते हो? What other
yes.
helping material you got? बल्ली के अलावा रोप, इसके अलावा रोप है?
Yes sir.
Can you do something with rope?
Yes sir. But how will the last person?
अगर tie कर दोगे तो how will the last person will come? Is it necessary to tie?
Loop. So we can
So we
directly
can
make a loop.
make a loop and
We can
Chalo.
put the plank in the.
बनाओ.
that reduce the distance.
पकड़ना. And now how will take this rope?
I think we just pass the rope to us.
But
I think-
how will it get support?
नहीं. No use of man power. तुम बोलोगे मैं रोप लगाऊंगा और मैं पकड़ दूंगा. ऐसे नहीं होगा.
Okay then. There
No,
is no use
just
of
okay.
manpower.
I'll give you a hint. Just put the plank here. Plank रखो इधर.
Sir, can we make a loop and
थोड़ा और आगे करो. और आगे करो. प्लैंक को आगे करो.
Just-
कितना गैप रह गया? और आगे करो. कितना गैप रह गया?
थोड़ा सा सर
और object
ब्लू को टच हो रहा है.
So
Yes.
what is
It
ब्लू
can
पे
touch
रख
at
सकते
it.
हो?
Yes, sir.
तो यहाँ लूप लग सकता है.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Now take this rope and tie it first to the this thing.
Just number 45.
If you tie with this
Tying is
structure,
not
फिर
a
तो
solution.
problem तो
Tying
हो
is
ही
not
वो
a solution. Just just
Can
do
you
the
do
plank.
something with the
Yes,
rope?
sir. Can we make a loop there and we
Okay.
can pass that valli there?
He is telling मैंने loop बना दिया फिर.
Yes, sir.
Just number 45.
Give me the rope.
Can you come
Hold this plank.
lean it?
What are you saying?
What do you want to do?
Sir,
want
we
to
can just make a
put a
loop
solution?
and
Okay.
put it in
Just
this,
come
and
at
then
here.
it will get.
तो इसको ये छोड़ो. You tight here कर दिया ये लो. What will happen now?
Gentlemen, I have an idea.
लगा दो.
Then say it.
अभी क्या करोगे? थोड़ा थोड़ा नीचे लगा दो.
पकड़िए इसको,
नीचे
पकड़िए.
लगा दो.
both the ropes.
Plank लगा दो.
Gentlemen, set number
Okay, what will you do now?
No, it will not get, sir.
फिर तुम plank खींचोगे तो क्या होगा?
The rope will fall down.
So rope को कैसे ला सकते हो? Anyone?
So like rope को तो
We can bring the rope with the help of
plank. We can take out with the help of plank.
आया?
Sir, I have one more idea, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we will tie both the ropes.
But how will the last person when come?
नहीं, if you tie both the ropes where?
We cannot tie it.
Sir, we have to tie the rope in the plank.
Yeah.
Okay, what is telling that you tie the rope on the plank और फिर loop बना दो.
Yes,
फिर
sir.
खींचोगे आराम से आ जाएगा. करो फटाफट.
Can you pass the rope? Just number 2. जल्दी do.
पहले क्यों नहीं आया दिमाग में ये?
क्या है?
How should you tie it? Tie it from one end. एक एंड से बांधो पहले. एक तरफ से बांधो पहले. एक एंड को बांधो. एक एंड को बांधो पहले.
एक circle.
बांधो. और करो. और लंबा कर लो. Now tie it. इसको बंद कर दो. Now what you should do? Tie it from. इतना लूप छोड़ दो एंड टाई इट अगेन. टाई करो. इसके साथ बांध देना. इसके साथ बांधो. अभी लगाओ उधर. नाउ पुट इट देयर. उनको दो, वो अपने अपने आप लगाएंगे. आप दे दो उनको. लगाओ उस पे. करो. कर दो टाइट.
Sir, one more.
हाँ, एक और करो. नाउ पुट इट हियर. अभी क्या हो रहा है?
Sir, we can just put this like that. अब हो गया ना?
छोड़ो. छोड़ो उधर रखो.
Sir, we can put another rope here.
अनदर रोप क्या तुम ये
हाँ, ये रख सकते हैं sir.
खींचो तुम्हारी तरफ. खींचो. सपोर्ट इट. लिटिल गिव अ लिटिल बिट सपोर्ट. चलो आ जाओ. आ जाओ.
You can come.
मैंने बोला ना सपोर्ट.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
नाउ उसको हटा दो. उसको हटा दो. सही. चलो. चलो.
खड़ा हो जा, खड़ा हो जा.
ओके ठीक है. नाउ अब पुल इट. इसको पुल करो. कैसे करोगे? ओके चलो आगे. आ जाओ. हाउ विल यू मूव इट फ्रॉम हियर?
Sir, we can just
आगे कैसे जाओगे?
manpower.
Sir, we can directly bridge here.
करो
No,
ना,
it's
करके
red.
दिखाओ.
It's red. Gentlemen, it's red.
करने दो इसको. कैसे कर रहा है ये?
No. Gentlemen, I think we should go from here.
Okay, let's try.
Just set number 9. We are just going to put it.
Now one person should stand here to give support from back. No, here. One person can also stand here in the like.
I will.
Gentlemen,
Now
pass the
put it both legs.
you can put here
You can. Yeah, no.
because it is more stable.
Rope will also. Okay.
Okay, if you put, he is telling that if you put the belly, it will be more stable. Will it?
Yes, sir.
चलो.
Now one person can also.
Put the just number 9. We need another weight. We need another weight. We
No,
need
no,
another
no.
weight.
Put remove this belly.
Just
Now
put your weight on.
one person should also stand. 27. You can also put your leg.
Gentlemen, we have to put the belly first.
यहीं से एक पाँव रख के चले जाओ ना. रुक जाओ.
One person. 45. You can come.
I think just
24. No. KP, तू खड़ा हो, तू बारी है. 45. KP.
Okay. Okay. I understood. Okay. If you do like this, दो तीन और आ जाओ इधर, 3-4 आ जाओ इधर.
Now
Three people can.
pass the rope. 24. Pass the rope.
3 आ जाओ.
We can just, gentlemen, we can just tie a rope here and this will be our back support.
नहीं आगे कैसे जाओगे?
Yes, sir. We will tie a rope here and this will support as from back. From back.
करके दिखाओ.
Give the rope.
First, pass the plank
For-
and rope also. Just tie the rope by keeping the red color in the mind.
Yes, sir. Just first remove this plank.
First of all, we have to pass.
पहले आगे तो जाने दो इनको.
I think it would
No. We will tie it from here because we will put on upper, na?
from the upper side.
Yeah. So we have to tie it from upper.
Tight.
Now how will we?
Just pass it from here.
Okay लगाओ.
The plank.
जाओ आगे. Will it be? Will
We have to. We can pass the bully if it fits here.
So we can also try.
If the bully fits here, then
No. I think yes. We can use it.
no. We can just put it like this.
वहाँ लगाना जरूरी है. Okay.
I think we should.
सही तो लगा रहा तो. Any roll broken?
Blue. This is blue.
This white part. You come here.
As it is shifted.
इधर आ जाओ इधर. White part की बच्ची चलो. चलो चल के जाओ.
हाँ,
This
yeah.
is possible, sir.
Okay चलो. Any roll broken?
Yes, sir. It touch. So we have to tie it more tightly.
Okay. Okay, if you tie it more tightly, you will be able to cross. चलो उधर हो जाओ दो.
So we can also try the.
Okay, now how will you get them? उनको कैसे लोगे?
Sir, we will make this reverse thing.
कैसे?
If the rope will be tighter, it will be.
देखो.
Sir, if the rope will be tighter, it will work.
करो ना, मना कौन कर रहा है?
Okay, you can put the load on the plank. We can take it. ऐसे ही